Here is how to create a test Stripe coupon code step by step. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard with your account. Once you are in, check the environment before doing anything else. Make sure you are working in sandbox or test mode so the coupon is created for testing rather than for live transactions. This is an important detail because coupons made in the wrong mode will not appear where you expect them. After you confirm that you are in the test environment, look to the left side of the dashboard and click Product Catalog. This opens the area where Stripe keeps products, pricing, and related discount tools. From there, select Coupons to open the list of existing coupons in your account. On the Coupons page, click Create Coupon. Stripe will open the coupon setup form, where you can define how the discount should work. Begin by entering a name for the coupon. This name helps you recognize it later in the dashboard, so use something that clearly describes the offer or the test you are running. Next, you can enter a custom ID if you want to control the code identifier yourself. If you do not need a custom ID, leave that field blank and Stripe will generate one automatically. Either option works, so this depends on how you want to organize the coupon in your account. Now choose the coupon type. Stripe gives you the choice between percentage off and fixed amount off. Select the one that matches the discount you want to create, then enter the discount value in the field provided. If you choose a percentage, enter the percentage amount. If you choose a fixed amount, enter the amount off according to the currency and format shown on the form. If the coupon should only work with certain products, enable Apply to specific products. Once that option is enabled, select the products you want included. If the discount should be available more broadly, leave that option turned off and continue. After that, choose the duration for the coupon. This determines how long the discount remains active once it is applied. Stripe will show the available duration options in the form, and you can select the one that fits the test case you are setting up. You can also configure redemption limits if needed. This is optional, but it is available if you want more control over how the coupon is used. For example, you can set a redemption date range or specify a maximum number of redemptions. If you do not need those limits for your test, leave those settings unchanged. Before creating the coupon, review all of the settings on the page. Check the name, type, discount value, product scope, duration, and any redemption limits you added. When everything looks correct, click Create Coupon. Your test Stripe coupon code is now created in Sandbox or test mode.